We are going to show you how to run a repeated measures one-way ANOVA on NCSS. In the experiment, we are using fake data and we are measuring the moods of the participants. Our experiment is within groups design that repeatedly measures mood of participants after being exposed to one of the three exercise conditions, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or not at all for a 3-day period.
Our data is set up into a balanced Latin square design, which uses counterbalancing to control for order effects by presenting different treatment sequences. Now I'm going to show you how to draw this out. If we have days 1, day 2, and day 3 that our participants are in a certain exercise condition, we have group 1, condition 1, which stands for no exercise at all, condition 2, which stands for 30 minutes of exercise, and group 3, which stands for 60 minutes of exercise. We also have participants are randomly assigned to whether they will be in group A, B, or C. In group A, participants will participate in condition 1 on the first day, condition 2 on the second day, and condition 3 on the third day. Participants assigned to group B will start with condition 2 on the first day, which is 30 minutes of exercise, condition 3 on the second day, which is 60 minutes of exercise, and condition 1 on the third day, which is no exercise at all. Lastly, participants assigned to group C will start off on the first day in condition 3, which is 60 minutes of exercise. Condition 1 on day 2, which is no exercise, and condition 2 on the third day, which is 30 minutes of exercise. Show you how to run our fake data in NCSS. First, we'll take the data from an Excel file, copy it, and paste it into NCSS. Now we have all of our data. Next, we should label our data. The first column is our subject. The second column is our condition. The third column is the time. And the fourth column is the mood that the participants had after they exercised or did not exercise. To analyze the data, you will click on Analysis at the top, Analysis of Variance, and go to Repeated Measures Analysis of Variance. Next, we have to put the correct variables in their spots. The response variable is the participant's mood. The subject variable is what we labeled subject. The between factor 1 is the condition that they were assigned to. And the within factor is the amount of time that the participant exercised. After all this is put in, we should go to Reports and generate a Fisher's LSD report and a Tukey-Kramer for our post hoc tests. After we make sure our F value is at 0.05, we can click Run to run the data.
Probability level is what determines significance. If the probability level is under 0.05, such as this one, then the data is significant. If the probability level is over 0.05, such as these two, then it is not significant. Another indication of significance could be the F ratio. The larger the F ratio, the more the independent variable had an effect on the dependent variable. The graphs generated by ANOVA need to be studied to further understand the implications of this experiment. This graph shows the relationship of amount of time spent working out, 0 minutes, 30 minutes, and 60 minutes, and participants' mood. As the amount of time increased, so did the participants' mood. In the future, another variable such as type of music listened to could be added to see how it affects mood.